If you're using Syspro and want to get paid faster, System 1A helps turn your receivables process into a smoother, more effective path to cash. System 1A is an accounts receivable automation solution built for manufacturers and distributors that need tighter control over collections and cash flow. Syspro will tell you which customers owe you money. System 1A helps you collect it faster. In many businesses, accounts receivable teams are still manually distributing and resending documents, chasing overdue invoices, and collections through manual legacy processes. The reality is that your customers want to pay you. The key is making that process simple and convenient. With System 1A, your customers gain access to a self-service portal, giving them a simpler way to view all their information and respond without back-and-forth delays over multiple channels. System 1A integrates directly with Syspro, using your existing customer and financial data so you can automate receivables without rebuilding the way your business already runs. That means faster time to value, with a solution that fits naturally into the systems your team already trusts. With System 1A, you can automate the manual AR processes, send intelligent reminders, and standardize collection workflows across your team. You also gain real-time visibility into engagement and performance, so you can see what is working and where action is needed. The result is less administration, better customer communication, and faster collections across the board. You improve cash flow and efficiency without adding headcount, which is exactly the kind of operational leverage growing manufacturers and distributors need. If you're a Syspro customer ready to modernize receivables, System 1A can be deployed in under 60 minutes. Start with a free 30-day trial and discover how quickly you can improve cash flow and streamline your collections process. Visit the Syspro Marketplace page for System 1A or book a demo to see how quickly you can start getting paid faster. If you're serious about getting cash in the bank, System 1A is the receivables automation solution for Syspro that you need.